Hey everybody, it's WG2004 here. Just got done doing the '08 Ultimate box that I ordered. Now we're starting on our '07 National Treasures box. Got 10 viewers here over in Blog TV, so I'll be showing the card over there, and then I'll be showing you guys here on YouTube, so let's get right into this. Third Mill says, yo, what up? Got Third Mill, Joe Dog, Glenn Wren, Maya Depp, Scatshot, Scatshot, Team Back Sunday. Any people in here that I really know right now. So here we go. Nice. Show you guys that it is fully sealed for your protection. So wear protection. So there it is. Inside the nice little box. Ooh, pretty box. And the inner box sealed. Unfortunately, it looks like this inner seal was kind of off a little bit, but rigged. I didn't do it. Alright, we're gonna just cut right into this. Alright. Alright. And I'm kind of listening to the Penguins game in the back, so. Alright, folks, here we go. First off, for the Indianapolis Colts, a base card. Got Jim Parker, 67 out of 100. Sorry about the lighting here, it's a little funky. Can you guys see it okay? Yeah. Is that a little better? There we go. Yeah. Alright, so that's for the Colts. Congrats to the Colts. Oh, man. Oh, who has the Dolphins now? Dolphins, who's got the Dolphins? Dude, I might be talking to you about this Third Mill because this thing is sick. Absolutely sick. I'm going to show to the YouTube camera first. I'll tell you now, it's a Dan Marino patch. 13 out of 25. No, not a cut. Not a cut. It's a patch. But wait until you see this thing. I'm talking to you about this for sure. What's his number? Was his number 13? Well, guess what? 13 out of 25. Check out this Marino patch. Off the Dolphin. Off the freaking Dolphin. A freaking Montana logo patch. 13 out of 25. So congrats to Third Mill on that one. Next we're going to have a random, so I got to do this. We have the Broncos. The Packers. The Lions. And the Cowboys. So I'm not even on this. So quad. If anybody has two, of course I have to give it to them, but I got to see because I don't have the list in front of me. It's a triple patch. 20 out of 25. Elway, Favre, Sanders, and Emmitt Smith. Wait until you see this guy. This is a nice patch card. Check that thing out. That is nice. Very nice. Yeah, so Third Mill, I might be talking to you on that Marino because that's sick. Okay, next we got another triple jersey here. It's going to be between the Niners, the Seahawks, and the Packers. A Jerry Rice, Steve Largent, James Lofton triple jersey, 23 out of 25. Big screensaver. Very nice triple jersey card there. If anybody wants to see any cards afterwards, I'll re-show gladly. Oh my goodness. Okay, next one is for the Chargers. This one is just a regular autograph rookie for the Chargers. Legedu Nane, 39 out of 99. Just a regular autograph. So there's Chargers. Wait until you see, guys. Anybody here had the Bills? Bills, gas shot. But guess what? This thing is sick. You got a 1 of 1. A 1 of 1. It's a Thurman Thomas patch. Authentic game-worn jersey laundry tag. Thurman Thomas, 1 of 1. I'll show the camera here. So, check out this patch, folks. Check out this patch. And the Penguins just scored. How about them Penguins? That is nice.
Because he had a hotel and everything,
1 of 1, folks. 1 of 1.
I told him last night, I said, "They're asking
And our
you
last
to go out
hit
and
is for the Lions. No, it's not Calvin Johnson. Drew Stanton, autograph, single jersey, number 7 of 49. So,
Dad's not even coming in
Lions got a hit here.
because he just got a flu.
Boom. Nice little card. So, that's it for this box, folks. I'm going to show off the camera for YouTube. So make sure it's short enough. So, that's it for this box. Very nice. I didn't get anything again. Had 2 great teams, but got nothing. But that's it for this, folks. Thanks for watching.